Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2020 Challenger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include tires, 235/55 R18AS Performance, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches cast aluminum, STD, Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, granite pearl coat, black houndstooth cloth sport seat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, quick order package to EASXT included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, and rear-wheel drive. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one.